Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado toast, step by step. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want one perfectly ripe avocado, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper. A little fresh lemon juice is also key for brightness. For an extra kick, have some red pepper flakes ready or a drizzle of good olive oil. Getting organized makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of our dish, the avocado. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half, going around the large pit. Gently twist the halves apart, then remove the pit. Use a spoon to scoop all that beautiful green flesh into a small bowl. Take a fork and mash it to your preferred texture. Some like it chunky, others super smooth. This step is quick and satisfying. While you're mashing, pop your bread into the toaster. You want it perfectly golden and slightly crisp, not burnt. Once your avocado is mashed, it's time to season it. Add a generous pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Then, squeeze in approximately 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully and helps prevent browning. Mix it all together well. With your toast ready and avocado perfectly seasoned, it's time for the grand finale. Take a generous amount of your mashed avocado and spread it evenly over each warm, toasted slice. Don't be shy. If you like, sprinkle on some red pepper flakes for a little heat, or a dash of everything bagel seasoning for extra flavor and texture. Serve your avocado toast immediately and enjoy this simple, yet incredibly satisfying and healthy meal. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.